Se Bawumia wini pipi fag eyina contest obukuya say nyame na obo kwa hu mi ni da so fu bia o hye nkom se Kennedy Agyapong Bawumia me so wa.
If Kennedy Agyapong does not win the MPP contest, which he's announced that he's doing, what will happen?
It's impossible for Kennedy Agyapong not to win the flag bearership.
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
Are you serious?
It's like the way a dog cannot fly.
Are you serious?
That's how impossible it is for Kennedy Agyapong to lose the flag bearership.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you that those who are supporting several candidates,
yes,
they themselves know that their candidates will not win. Something because of what they will get. See, some have not come to the place of being truthful.
Se Bawumia wini pipi fag eyina contest obukuya say nyame na obo kwa hu mi ni da so fu bia o hye nkom se Kennedy Agyapong Bawumia me so wa.
Abranti a ye freno Ken Agyapong on the behold sensia me jama kuyato. I'm telling you, yes, I am your prophet. And nothing can change it. In a global, it is being faced. And I endorse in the stamp of butchery. They say, "What lawyer? I'm a lawyer, no. Why you will? No, the cocoa be there. I can't get it. It's sealed."
Se Bawumia wini pipi fag eyina contest obukuya say nyame na obo kwa hu mi ni da so fu bia o hye nkom se Kennedy Agyapong Bawumia me so wa.
Na unim ade radical say mo na me den se beka Kennedy Agyapong attack me on hwe no so ye on nyame bie mani no kwa MPP flag no Kennedy Agyapong nyame bie mani nyame we evidence say meka be o attack me ba honhom ne kan ne obeye bie se o kan ne honhom ne kan. So munya message where mun can share honorable Kennedy Agyapong that he is the next person to lead the MPP. Onhe no see na he should live long. Or there's an agenda be onhe no see the so munju onhe no see physical we edin semeka we attack me wrong. But ebi ani ho it's amazing. Very well. Very well. Into next 2028 no. Me who in the realm of the spirit says he's going to play a pivotal role. But this election there, any MPP here.
Se Bawumia wini pipi fag eyina contest obukuya say nyame na obo kwa hu mi ni da so fu bia o hye nkom se Kennedy Agyapong Bawumia me so wa.
Like what God will make in the Agyapong is already concluded. Now it is, as I'm saying, true, but that's a revolution. I don't know why I entered it, but we are done with the exams. You are now doing revision. I'm telling us that there are conclusions of deals. What others are now negotiating for them. There are positions that has already been negotiated for, signed, sealed, and released, and others are campaigning for. It's like the leadership of NPP. The thing is campaigned in the spirit. See, delivered to Kennedy Agyapong. Many will come and it will happen.
Se Bawumia wini pipi fag eyina contest obukuya say nyame na obo kwa hu mi ni da so fu bia o hye nkom se Kennedy Agyapong Bawumia me so wa.
It is impossible. From June, in the chapter 3 of this book, I spoke about June 2025. From June, you will see many people have campaigned for other candidates here and there will come out publicly and say, well, we were for this one, now we're for Kennedy Agyapong, or now we don't think that we'll go this direction, we want to go this direction.
From June,
you will see members of parliament in MPP having meetings and saying, the way things are going, let us go and support. And even on the day NPP will have their national delegate conference, people who have campaigned for other candidates will go and vote for Kennedy Agyapong privately, because that way you will not see it, so we'll show you that
Is he going to win big?
It's going to be nice.
sɛ Bawumia wini NPP fa eyina contest obukuya sɛ nyame na obɔ kwa mu gu mi nyini ni da so bi a o hyɛ nkɔm sɛ Kennedy Agyapong go nyame sɛ sɛ wa.
Okay, Appiah Stadium so challenge our true so diama asofo na